Once Prime Minister Modi said, India does not have one problem with China. India have lots of problems which are still pending. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is China Indian Ocean Region Forum. Firstly, let's talk what is this China Indian Ocean Region Forum. Friends, it is organized by China International Development Cooperation Agency, which is similar to United States Agency for International Development. This Chinese new initiative shows that China interest is increasing day by day in the Indian Ocean region. It also reflects that China want to increase its influence and interest in this region. Friends, the organizers said that almost 19 countries were participated of the regional countries, but after this, the Maldives and Australia gave a statement and said they were not attended. Also, India were not invited. Friends, now let's talk why the China have taken this kind of move. There are main three reasons. First, the increasing significance of Indo-Pacific region. Friends, we have seen in recent time how the Indo-Pacific become the major center of the globe, and so that China want to challenge India in Indian Ocean region and want to make influence and establish hegemony. Second, the domestic energy security of China. Friends, Indian Ocean is very important for China for the security of energy. Almost major part of the crude oil trade done through this route. Third, establishment of the hegemony. China want to increase influence and make a good presence in this region and for on the regional countries. And we have seen in recent time how China increased the footprint of economic on the regional countries. Friends, now let's talk where does India stand. India was lone absentee to ignore the Chinese invitation. Also, this Chinese new initiative can be say it is a delayed response because in 2015 Prime Minister Modi outlined the saga in Mauritius. Also, friends, India have seen the recent Chinese move in the Indian Ocean region, included the spy ship of China which have docked in Sri Lankan port recently. Also, India sees the Indian Ocean Rim Association, which is already exists for the regional countries of Indian Ocean. Friends, in my conclusion, this new initiative of China shows the unended Chinese greed, and it also reflects the China want to measure of United States geopolitics and geostrategic in Indo-Pacific and in Indian Ocean region. And China want to make influence and presence in this region and want to challenge India. So for India, India need to increase its presence in the Indo-Pacific more and need more cooperation with Quad countries to tackle the Chinese threats in the region of Indo-Pacific. Thank you.